Welcome to John Cleese Car Audi's YouTube channel. Another video on another Ghost installation. Now, if you haven't already seen the hundreds of videos that are available out there, probably thousands, and you've stumbled upon this video, then I'm going to show you how it works on this brand new Audi S3 25 plate. So it is the latest S3 available as of 2025 right now. Customer obviously wanted to stop it from being stolen, and this is by far the cheapest and best security package available right now, the Autowatch Ghost. So without further ado, let's show you how it stops your car from being stolen. So you've got your key, which imagine if a thief has nicked your key or they've amplified the keyless entry from inside your house. So they've basically got the key. They're going to push the start button, which I'm going to do right now. And what do you know, it starts. Not what you wanted to see in this video, was it? Well, that's because this doesn't actually stop the engine from starting, but rather it stops it from going in drive. So if I put my foot on the brake and put into drive as you would normally, it's come out of drive and the car has stalled. It's come up with error codes to indicate the car does not like being forced shut down, which it wouldn't, but don't worry, they do disappear and clear. So no permanent fault codes, let's say. And then I push it on start again. And I show you again, push start, put foot on the brake, put it in drive again just to show you this keeps working. And it stalls again. So it is an infallible product, brilliant bit of equipment. Now I'm going to show you what you would do if you were using the Ghost properly, okay? So push the foot on the brake, push start. It's going to wait for a pin entry, which is a disarm sequence that hopefully only you will know at home. You can set it to quite a few different button options. For example, it depends on cars, but you know, buttons around the heater controls, steering wheel controls, paddles, wing mirrors and window switches. And in particular, this is cruise control on this car, the button right here. It's a very simple code to begin with because we're just showing you how it works. I'm going to go up, down, and you're going to wait for 2 beeps. Those 2 beeps you heard were the confirmation chirps to say it's accepted my code. And if I put it in drive now, what do you know? It stays in drive. Car doesn't stall and we can actually drive off as you would expect. Simple as that, a disarm sequence that only you know using factory buttons within the vehicle. That is the Autowatch Ghost. My name is Connor, this is John Cleese Car Audi's YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out all the other security videos. We've got about 20 Ghost installations and many trackers and many alarms. We know how to keep your car on your driveway. It's Connor, see you later, goodbye.